Taking the tour bus.
Dialogue 1.
Welcome to Take the Tour Bus.
Does the morning tour visit the UN?
No, sir. That's in the all-day tour.
Then, I have to get off to take the all-day tour.
But during this tour we will visit the most famous place. You shouldn't miss it.
Where will you go?
The famous Broadway. I promise you will think it worth going.
Okay, then I will go on this trip with you. How long does the tour last?
It takes 6 hours, sir.
I see. Can I pay in traveler's checks?
Of course you can. That's $25.
Dialogue 2.
Welcome to this sightseeing tour. First we will go to Chinatown, then the National Museum and the City Hall.
Hooray!
Now we're passing Columbia University.
I see it. Good university. Excuse me, what is that tall building?
It's the United Nations building.
Wow. The United Nations, can we make a stop here?
Sorry, but it's beyond our schedule.
It's really a pity. I have to take another time to see it.
Watching the game.
Dialogue 1.
Do you still have tickets for today?
We have plenty left.
Can I get a ticket for Major League Baseball game?
Any team in particular?
Are the Mariners playing today?
Let me see if could find out. Yes, one.
Yes, only one, please.
The game will be very exciting, as this is an important match.
Hope the Mariners will have a good performance.
Dialogue 2.
Where's the stadium?
That's a pretty good stadium in town.
I would love to see a ball game. Which teams are playing?
I heard that Bulls vs Lakers this week.
Is that true? Do you think we can get tickets?
We can go to the box office to check it out.
If not, we can always try our fortune at the door.
It seems you are really a die-hard fan of basketball. You blow me away.
Making friends.
Dialogue 1.
This is lovely place.
So it is. Where are we now? What is this station?
This is Erin.
How long will we stop here?
Only a few minutes.
How soon will we go to Madrid?
Not for 4 more hours.
That's a long time. I'm hungry.
So am I. How about going to the Buffett car?
Good idea. We can have a drink.
Dialogue 2.
Hi, how do you do? I'm Jack.
Hi. How do you do? I'm Lee Jian.
Are you on business or pleasure?
I'm going on business.
Where to?
Newfoundland.
My goodness, that's where I go, too.
Really, we're a coincidence. Maybe we can go around between the connecting flights.
Good idea, the plane is landing. Let's go together.
Okay.
Losing the way.
Dialogue 1.
Good morning, sir. I think I'm lost here. I want to go to a hotel called Jin Man.
Do you know on which street?
No, I'm sorry, I have no idea. You know I'm a stranger here.
I see. Well, do you know any landmarks near the hotel?
Oh yes, my friend told me the hotel was just around Pizza Hut.
Then you'll have to take bus number 37 and get off at Lishi Road.
Dialogue 2.
Excuse me, but will you tell me the way to the art museum?
Go straight on this street, go 3 blocks. and you'll come to a part. The museum is in the park.
How long does it take on foot?
About 20 minutes.
Thank you very much.
Oh, once more, could you show me the way to the post office?
Go to Blocks and on the corner. On the right, you'll find the Westbury Hotel. The post office is on the first floor. You can easily find the office as you can see that post office sign.
Getting ill on the way.
Dialogue 1.
What's wrong with you?
I have an upset stomach.
Do you want to see a doctor?
I have been suffering from this old disease for quite a long time. There is no point to seeing a doctor.
But I think you need to see a doctor as we are on the journey. If something goes wrong, we have to carry the can.
Well, let's go and see a doctor then.
Wait a moment. I will call the bus driver, and he will drive you to the hospital.
Thanks a lot. You're very considerate.
Dialogue 2.
Good morning, sir, but you look pale.
I didn't sleep well last night. I feel completely exhausted now.
Oh, I'm sorry. You'd better see a doctor.
Could you tell me where the nearest hospital is?
I'll take you half an hour to go to the No.1. Hospital by bus No.108. If you take a taxi, it takes only 5 minutes.
Please call a taxi for me.
Sure. Lost property.
Dialogue 1.
I can't find my passport.
Do you remember when did you see it for the last time?
Yes, I just saw it in my bag yesterday afternoon.
Oh, then how have it gone?
I don't know either. It is lost now. Could you help me find it?
Sure. We must unfold all of our baggage and search for it.
Thank you. I hope we could find it.
Otherwise, we have to make touch with the Chinese embassy.
Dialogue 2.
Excuse me.
Yes. May I help you?
I lost my wallet. I had my credit card and passport in it.
What's your name?
Wang Ming.
What kind of wallet is it?
It's black, about this size, with the initial WM on the inside.
Let me check. Is it this one?
Fantastic. It's mine. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. This wallet was found on the street by a schoolboy.
Dialing public calls.
Dialogue 1.
May I sue this telephone for an international call?
Yes, but do you have the telephone card?
No, I'm just a traveler here.
Then you have to exchange some coins.
Could you change the dollar bill for coins?
Yes, give me the money and I will change for you.
Okay, here you are.
And here are the coins. Go ahead, please. Just insert the coin into the slot here. Deposit 75 cents. For the first 3 minutes, please.
Oh, thank you very much.
Dialogue 2.
May I use this telephone?
Of course. Please.
Could you tell me the way of using the telephone?
Yes. You should insert a coin first.
How much should I put in it?
At least 20 cents.
And then I can dial the number directly, can I?
Yes. It will give you the connecting sign.